comprehensive explanation of JSON marshalling and unmarshalling in Go. This mind map provides a clear breakdown of how JSON marshalling and unmarshalling work in Go using the encoding JSON package. Here's a detailed explanation of each section. 1. What is JSON marshalling? JSON marshalling is the process of converting Go data structures, like structs, slices, and maps, into JSON format. Function: it uses the json.Marshal function to achieve this. Part 2. How JSON marshalling works. The process of marshalling involves the following steps. Create Go structs or data structures. Define the struct with appropriate fields that will hold the data. Call json.Marshal. Convert the Go struct into JSON format. Example: JSON, name Alice, age 30. If the struct has fields name and age, the JSON output will include these fields. Key notes: exported fields. Struct fields must be exported, start with uppercase letters, to be included in the JSON. Custom tags. Use struct tags like JSON name to customize the JSON field names. Omitempty. Use the omitempty tag to exclude fields that are empty or have 0 values. 3. What is json.Unmarshalling? Definition: json.Unmarshalling is the process of converting JSON data into Go data structures. Function: it uses the json.Unmarshal function to decode JSON into a Go struct, slice, or map. 4. How json.Unmarshalling works. The steps for unmarshalling are as follows. Prepare JSON data. JSON data is typically provided as a string or byte slice. Create a target Go struct or map. Define a struct to map the JSON fields or use a map to handle dynamic data. Call json.Unmarshal. Decode the JSON data into the Go struct or map. Key notes: matching keys. JSON keys must match struct tags or field names. Ignored fields. Extra JSON fields not present in the Go struct are ignored. 0 values. Fields not present in the JSON default to their 0 values in Go. 5. Common use cases and tips. Custom JSON key names. Use struct tags to control how fields are mapped to JSON keys. Ignore fields. Use JSON to exclude fields during marshalling and unmarshalling. Handle unknown fields. Use maps, e.g. map string interface, to work with dynamic JSON data. Partial decoding. Use interface to decode JSON data partially or for unknown structures. 6. Summary. Use json.Marshal to encode Go data structures into JSON format. Unmarshalling. Use json.Unmarshal to decode JSON data into Go structs, maps, or slices. Tags. Control JSON behavior using tags like omitempty, exclude empty fields, or nas, ignore fields. Conclusion. JSON marshalling and unmarshalling are essential for working with JSON data in Go. The encoding JSON package provides straightforward tools to convert data between Go structs and JSON. By leveraging struct tags and handling unknown fields, developers can efficiently manage JSON encoding and decoding in real-world applications.